Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer contacts from Outlook to Dynamics 365 easy tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer contacts from Outlook to Dynamics 365, begin by opening Outlook on your computer. Navigate to the File menu located at the top left corner of the window. Select Options from the drop-down list. In the Outlook Options window, click on Advanced in the left pane. Scroll down to the Export section and click on Export. In the Import and Export wizard, choose Export to a file. Now, choose the contacts folder you want to export. Click Next to continue. Select a location on your computer where you want to save the exported file. Name your file, and then click Finish. Your contacts will now be exported into a CSV file. Next, open your web browser and sign in to your Dynamics 365 account. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings area. In the Settings menu, find and select Data Management. Click on the Imports option. Here, click on the Import Data button to start the process. In the Import wizard, choose Browse and select the CSV file you exported from Outlook. Once your file is selected, click Next. The system will guide you through mapping the columns from the CSV file to the contact fields in Dynamics 365. Carefully review the mapping, ensuring all fields are correctly aligned. Once satisfied, click Next to proceed with the import. Review the summary of your import settings, then click Finish to start the import process. Dynamics 365 will now upload and process your contacts. You will receive a notification once the import is complete. Check the Contacts section in Dynamics 365 to verify that your contacts have been successfully transferred. If you encounter any errors, navigate to the Imports area to review the import log for specific details. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.